Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a determinant is chosen at random from the set of all determinants of order 2 with elements 0 or 1. Find the probability that the determinant chosen is non-zero. So, determinant cannot be equal to 0. So, suppose that I'm talking about total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. You know that, like, try to understand this part. So, if they are talking about determinant, so we have 2 cross 2 determinant. Okay, so look at this. They are talking about all such determinants made by the number 0 or 1. So, we have how many empty space? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 empty spaces we have. Okay, now look at this. In first place, you have how many choices? You are having two choices, that you can put 0, you can put 1. Is your task completed? No. So till the time your task is not completed, you have to keep on multiplying. Now for second place, you have how many choices? Again 2. You can put 0 or 1. There is no such restriction that you cannot put uh, more than two zeros, more than two ones. Okay, you are free to use at any number of times. Now, is your task completed? No, I have to check at seat number 3. So two choices for that. Seat number 4, two choices for that as well. So altogether we have 2 power 4. So it is 16 cases. Okay, so this many metrics we have. Now we have to focus on those determinants whose determinant is non-zero. Okay, so look at this. Favorable outcome. Favorable outcomes. Now look at this. Now try to understand this favorable outcome. Okay, they are saying that it is non-zero. Okay, so like look at this. Suppose that if it is not 0 and you are using determinant. Okay, so look at this. If you will put all 1, okay, like I'll help you in this way. If you'll put all 1, its determinant will become what? 1 minus 1 0. So all 1 is not allowed, all 0 is not allowed. Okay, so suppose that I want determinant to be 1. Suppose, so if determinant is 1, I'll put 1 and 1 over here, and then look at this, what I will do. I want determinant to be 1. So I am free to put any number. So what I will do, I can put like suppose I have put 0 and I put 0. So this is one of the case, 0, 1. Another case, 1, 0. Another case. Correct? So this many possibilities we have for 1. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay, है ना? Now look at this. Now I will take minus 1. So for minus 1, can I do this thing, that I'll put 0, means I'll put 1 and 1 over here. Now I'll make 0. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so again we have minus 1. Okay, you have to do this. So these are the, so probability can be 1, -1 or 0. Okay, so these are the 6 cases which is favorable. So required probability will be total number of case 16 and then 6. Okay, so the required probability is 6 by 16. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.